is, isn't he?
Yeah, she's a baby. See him?
Say, see you later, Bear.
See you later, Bear. Oh, he's not coming.
He's not going anywhere. He's going to eat those berries.
Mom, we need to keep him away from them. Right, Mom?
The berries are for him.
Yeah, we got them from him. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
He's saying, I love berries. He's saying that, Mama.
Yeah.
Now he came out.
He's going for the taller one.